This video, I'm going to install a set of 28mm fat bars. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so the bike is currently fitted with Handlebar bars. They're straight bars, 22mm. I want to put a pair of 28mm fat bars on, which means that the central clamping part is thicker, and then the outer parts where the grips and controls are is standard 22mm. So I've just got to basically strip everything off, get the clamps installed, so I'll kind of just take you through this step by step. Let's get cracking, see how we go. First step is going to be to remove these bar end mirrors, which just do by unscrewing this, and then just unscrew that. On this side, flathead screwdriver inside the grip and gently pull that off. Everything off, loosened off the throttle. What I can't do is move the throttle off, there's not enough cable slack. So the easiest thing to do is, once I've loosened up the bolts that secure these clamps in, take off the bars, slide the bars out, and then when I put the new ones in, I can slide those back in. These are the clamps that I've got. I bought these off AliExpress actually. They were about 12 quid. And they come with these two spacers here, which obviously allow you to use the spacers in a way that gives you a higher rise. You can go without them. I'm going to use the thinner one only, take this one off and go with that height. And I also, the bolt that goes through, I had to cut some of the thread off, because it was a bit too long and it needs to sit neatly under the top yoke. So I had to trim about 1 centimetre off that. And then finally, you can just see the bolt position here is sort of offset. So it allows you to kind of have the bars further forward or further backwards, basically allowing you to kind of tailor them. I'm probably going to go with slightly closer, and I'll see how they feel. I can always spin them around afterwards. I've got everything back in place. Everything works fine. I've just checked that the cables are all routed okay. Everything seems fine. Let's get it outside and show you the finished result.